Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Enemy Machine Tutorials. Today we're going to learn about a tree shredder and how it works. The machine can be either electric or engine driven. We can fabricate different sizes according to your preference. Here with me today we have an engine driven tree shredder. The engine is 30 HP horsepower. It has a capacity of 2000 kgs per hour. This is where you put the trees, and once they are shredded, this is the outlet. This machine is used for grinding sawdust, which is carbonized to make charcoal briquette. The sawdust can also be used to make beddings for livestock, and it can also be used to grind wood chips, which are used by modern boilers.